Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale here to share the May-June Shots of Life kit. So our Shots of Life is geared towards our pocket page scrapbookers, but it's great for all kinds of scrapbooking. This month all of our papers are full 12 by 12 and the back is a full pattern, so you can use it for 12 by 12 scrapbooking. It's also great for traveler's notebooks, your planners, if you document in your planners. It's just great for all kinds of documenting. It also coordinates with our flavors of the month, so you can add it on for more pattern paper and embellishments to that as well. Or if you're looking to mix it up and do some 12 by 12 scrapbooking along with your pocket pages, then be sure to check out those flavors of the month's kits. And there's also 3 add-ons for the flavors of month. So all of that will coordinate with this. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a look at all the paper first and then the embellishments. First up, we're going to look at our paper, which is all cut apart, so perfect for your pocket page scrapbooking. I'm going to put these together just a little bit. So 49th and Market, Wanderlust. We have this paper here, Expedition Tale, which is a 3 by 4 cut apart. I love these. This is perfect for journaling. You can even put photos and stuff on top of these if you'd like. The back is a stamp pattern, full branding strip with all these little word labels, which is a lot of fun. Doodlebug Butterfly Kisses. This is a 3 by 4 cut apart, and you can see it has vertical and horizontal, so I like that. This paper is called Bitty Blossoms, and the back is a small floral print. From Echo Park, Have a Great Summer. We have a 3 by 4 cut apart. Again, we have vertical and horizontal. Lazy Days of Summer. All you need is ice cream. And then a stripe on the back. That paper is the 3 by 4 journaling cards. From Photoplay Paper, Salt and Sea, we have this paper called Tropical Vibes, which is a cut apart with all different sizes. We have some square, we have some long strips, like the little ice cream here. So that's always a lot of fun. The back is a tone-on-tone green with palm trees, and it has some distressing with the blue in there. From 49th and Market, Vicki Boutin's Flower Emporium, you have the 3 by 4 cut aparts, and this one could be some labels that you could cut apart, or you could keep them together as well. Lots of places for journaling and just embellishing. The back is a tone-on-tone kind of yellow and orange with polka dots and some script there. Echo Park, Born to Travel. We have 4 by 6 cut aparts and 3 by 4 in the vertical. Sightseeing Tours, Always Be a Tourist. We Are Here. Great one for journaling there if you have a lot, which usually on travel you do have a lot of journaling. The back is the geotab with a little heart in the center. That paper is the travel journaling cards. For Chamel, Live the Dream, we have this cut apart, which again is another one that has lots of different sizes. We have strips, we have tags. That's so super cute, and ones that's for journaling, some smaller oblong ones. So this is a lot of fun to tuck in. Lots of options on that page. The back is a pretzel on pink. And our last paper is from Simple Stories, Sunny Days, which is the 3 by 4 cut apart. Again, lots of options here. This is probably my favorite little icon in this whole collection. I love that print there of the clouds and the sun. The back is a bright pink with little white florals. So one more look at your patterned paper. Next, we're going to look at all the embellishments, and there are so many embellishments I can barely get it all in the camera frame. So let's go through each one of the collections. I'll kind of move these a little bit so we can see a little better. But for 49th and Market, Wanderlust, you're going to get one of the laser cuts. So all of these embellishments will vary among the kits. So you might get the same thing that I got, or you might get something different. But this is a good representation. So one of the laser cuts. From the Doodlebug collection, you're going to get one of the sticker sheets. So I think there's usually like 3 sticker sheets, so this is one of them. From the Echo Park, Have a Great Summer, you're going to get about 1/3 a pack of the ephemera pieces, so you can see there's a wide variety here. Little things, banners, and then all of these goodies. You're also going to get some Echo Park enamel dots. For the 49th and Market Flower Emporium, you're going to get 1 sheet of the rub-ons. So these are a lot of fun. They go on like butter. Love all of just the little background designs here. And then for Echo Park Born to Travel, you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces and some of the chipboard pieces. So these are the chipboard pieces that I got, and then the ephemera pieces. Again, lots of options there. For, let's see, Chamel's Live the Dream, you're going to get some of the papery pieces. So in these, that means you're going to get some that's the really thin paper. You're going to get some that's cardstock weight. You're going to get some chipboard. And you may get some vellum pieces or the acetate. So I have an acetate piece here, and I was thinking I thought one of them was vellum. Okay, so that is Chamel's collection. And then for Simple Story Sunny Days, you're going to get a third a pack of the sentiment bits. So all of these are all of the little words, but you're also going to get some of these little smaller icons for little sprinkles. So super cute. Lots of titles that you can use there, and you could also kind of pull these into some of the other collections. So that is your Shots of Life kit. One more look here at everything that you're going to get. Be sure to join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. I have lots of challenges, lots of extra kits. I'll have links here to the other ones that coordinate with this kit, so you can check those out and everything that's in those for this month. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.